Hello everyone, my name is Richmond, as you all know, your humble host on Design Like a Pro with Richmond. So, as according to our previous class yesterday, we talked about the interface of pixellab, but I didn't actually do a video tutorial on it. So today I'm doing the video tutorial on it. So here it goes. This is the pixellab app, as I'm sure many of you have downloaded the pixellab. If you have not downloaded the pixellab app, make sure you download it from Play Store, App Store, or even your Chrome as an APK. So just download it so we can follow us through as we move on. So this is the pixellab. When you open this, is how you open the pixellab by clicking it. So when you open it, will be like this. Okay, sorry, this is what I did last, so that's why showing me this. So for me to go to a new canvas, I just click on default. You see, this is what it will show when you open the pixellab app. So now I'll tell you guys on all the tools here, on everything here, the functions of all the tools here. That is from this plus sign to this one to everything here. I'm telling you guys on it. So when you open pixellab, this round here now, this thing here, this play the new text is called the canvas. This is where you do all your works. So like this up here, this plus is for inserting text. You see, when you click on that plus, click on this pencil, you see your new text, you type in your text. Like let me type, my name is Richmond. Okay, let me use Richmond. Sorry, my name is Richmond. You see, then click on OK. If you want to turn your text to capital letter, I want it to be capital letter, just click on it. That is a detail. You take you back to text. You see this small t and big letter T here. Maybe just assume it as cap lock. So you just click on it. You see, turn your everything you've written to capital letter. Then go back to it. Then you drag to wherever you want to drag to. Yeah. But before you start anything, make sure you delete this new text here. Since you don't need, just make sure you delete it. You don't need it. Always make sure you delete it once you enter. So this is now Richmond. My name is Richmond. Then let me take you through on how to edit your text and everything. You see this A here under here on this button here, this A here. So this is it. You click on it. You see it's a edit text. That editor is like to take you back to where you type your text. You want to edit anything, you want to add anything, you can just add. But I'm not adding anything, so just leave it like this. Then there's a style. You see this style here. This style here has different kind of fonts. How you want your text to appear, neither bold or any other thing. So you just click on it. You see, browse. You see your text appears like this. This is how your text appear. Anyone you want, just pick anyone you want. But there's not really, I'm not sure you need any of these things. So you don't need any of these things. So we don't really need it. So you see this thing here. This thing here like go back, like it's like it returns back to the action you have taken. Maybe if you don't like this and you want to return back to the action, you want the text to return back to how it is before, just click on it again. You see our text is normal like this. So let's edit the text again. If you want to copy your text, see this copy here is copy as many as you want to copy it. Just keep copying your text. But we don't need to copy our text, we only need one shot. So don't worry. Now delete this one. I guess the copy menu like so let me just do mass deleting. Okay, we just two more. I've deleted them. So this is it. This is still our text too. Okay, these positions are relative position. Just so if you want to move your text, if you want it to move faster, if you want to move faster up. Then if you want it to move slower, maybe I've gotten close to where you want to move to, you just move by, you just read to 1 ps. Then you can now move it slowly to where you want it to move to. Finish. Then this relative position, like maybe your text is there, you want it to move straight down here without waste time. That just click here. See, if you want to still move up straight without waste time, if you want to still move this side, this your left or your right, that just is for. So that is just it. Then this your size is for increasing the size of your text. Increasing the size. People should know this one sha. These are just the elements. These are the parts. So then this padding is for, like, you see, you are drawing your text to one side. You are drawing, and if you are drawing now, the more you pad it, the more it breaks. Like, let me see. You see, let's imagine I pad it to this left side. Now you see how how it is just go in between. You will no longer see that hammer and show because of this space. You see that what it is for. You see the M is no longer here. That is just for, but you don't really need the padding. All this are just for fancy. It's finished. So we have our color. Our color is any color you want test to be yellow, red. That's what your color is for. We also have our gradient color. Gradient color is like a mixture of two colors. So these are, you see, this color. You can mix two color. You can mix color. Any color you want it to be, like any color you want. You want it to take any two form color. You can also import your own colors. That is just it. Like this plus, you can import your own colors. So I wish I had a picture already imported here. Then you can. It means that this with this plus you can pick any color that is available. This like color picker, but without having image here. For even if that had an image here, would I just like from here pick? It's just like color picker. I just pick this same color for you. Like now, because we only have this image, this background here now, that I just pick this color, so we don't need it. Let's put it back to white. Then this texture, what this texture stands for, like if you want your image to take the form of any picture, like there's a picture you want and you want your image to be like the picture, your test to be like the picture, like you can now like click on this picture. This thing here is called picture. So it's taking time, you see, because okay, let's just take red. Maybe I wanted to take this form. Sorry. See it has taken the form of that is a map of Africa. You see the color has entered. Let's use a clearer color so people can see what I'm doing. Sorry, let me use a clearer picture. Let me use this red, maybe. You see, it has taken the form of that red. That's what the texture is for. The other two here shall for this thing. For the test, there's opacity. Opacity is how clear, how transparent you want this in your write up to be. Let's reduce opacity. You see, to reduce the write up, you have reduced this in the transparency. If you take it now to 0 now, you will no longer see your image again. But if you increase the transparency, that's how clear you want your image to be. How transparent how transparent you want to be. That's what this in transparency is for. So we also have the rotate. Rotate is like turning it. Not all of you know what rotate is now. So there's nothing really hard in this test two parts. There's nothing really hard. So they will have the mask. We have the 3D test. You see, you can just change the perspective. You know what 3D is all about now. So that just is like all this kind of block form tests. That's what 3D is all about. So let's take it back to white. We also have 3D rotate. You see, it rotates upside down. That's what 3D rotate is all about. But we don't need that, so cancel it. We have shadow dropping. Pick any color of shadow you want to draw. Any color. See, I want people to really take this in serious, because see graphic design. Graphic design, there's nobody that is doing anything now. No business that is doing promotion or what. No business. In fact, there's nothing that don't need graphic designer. No business don't need graphic design. Bank and all of them, even musicians, all of them, they need graphic designer. So I want you to take this in serious, because if you can learn it where and you have a place that you're working, so if you make your own. Because me personally, I know how much I'm making from graphic designing. That I want people to take this thing serious. So if you're not taking it serious, it's your own share. So if you want your image to have a background, you see, background is there. You choose any color of a background that you want. But I'm not doing on this one. We also have the curve. The curve to allow the image to curve. You see, maybe you're putting a cycle here. This is what your curve is all about. But I'm not using the curve to share. So this is all about this thing. This is all about. We have this reflection. Like mirror reflection. That's what reflection is all about. But I'm not using this thing. So this is all about the test. Is all about. Okay, we have here also. Here is mainly for if you have any. Here is mainly for if you have any image that you import. That's what here is mainly for. Or have any image here. Then this part is for the canvas. If any is anything concerning the canvas, everything here controls the canvas. Like let's say in color. Okay, You see this part is just for the canvas. Then image size, let's change it now. Me, I know